Okay, folks, we can take a look at doing the HTML5 gateway, upgrading it. So we're going to upgrade it from 14.4 to 14.6. So I currently don't have any certificates set up on it properly, but it's running. You can sort those certificates out yourself. There's another video on how to do that. Okay, so let's have so it's working there. So basically, let's jump in. So first of all, we need to check out Podman PS. So we go to Podman PS. Here's our container running. So we're going to stop our container. So we're going to purge it. That's going to stop our container. And once that stops, we need to cd to our new directory path because we're in 14.6. ls minus lsh, enter, ch mod 755 HTML5 ls minus lsh. There we go. So now we're going to have to run. Now we're going to run that one. Now we need to install our new container. Okay, so this is our directory before. We've got the L and the F. L is to load, F is to force. So we're going to force the new container to be loaded. And then we can do our images. See our images? Because we have more than one image now. You see we've got two images now. So now if we run a command, we need to change this. So that's 14.6. We've changed that to 14.6, which is what we've got running over here. 14.606. So we take that. We copy that. And we start our container. Come back to here. Let's go have a look. Yeah, first of all, we can do a Podman PS to check it's running. Here's our container. Up. It's not restarting, which is good news. So then we come here, we can test it. We go A, connect. Here we go, advanced. We've got to re-add that. Continue. And there's our CyberArk loading the new container with Podman and running the HTML5 gateway. So as you can see here, we've got CyberArk running with 14.4.6, and that is how you do the upgrade. Okay, thank you very much. Enjoy.